Holy smokes, look at this sunset. Oh, it's so beautiful. We didn't go down by the beach tonight. Darn it, I should have. Look at that. Just keeps getting more pink and more pink. Wow. So beautiful. The sun's like way down below those trees too. So this is just the glow of it all.